Hello po, Ma'am Arlene. Ito po,
Oh
mabuti po,
my
masaya.
God, I'm so happy. You
Yes.
know what? Paki-explain sa akin kung ano yung journey mo in terms of getting that permanent residency.
Yes. Nagsimula po kami nung apply nung May 22.
Okay, anong year?
Last year, 2025.
Okay.
Ayun yun po yung aming, pero po nag-start po kami talaga nagpasa nung month of June 2024.
Okay.
But unfortunately po, nagkaroon po kami ng problema about do sa isang form. So, binalik po ng IRCC again. And ano po yung
So yun
nangyari.
yung time na pumunta
So,
kayo sa akin?
yes, nag-decide po
Okay.
kami na mag-consult, maghanap ng consultant. And sa kagandahan naman po nung pagkakataon ay binigay ko po kayo sa amin. Nakita po namin kayo.
Yes. Saan nyo
So,
ako nakita
nagsimula
ulit?
yun.
Sa Facebook, di ba?
Yeah, nakita po
Okay.
kayo ng asawa ko from Facebook.
Alright,
And
okay.
then, after that, kinontak po namin kayo.
Yeah.
Tanda po namin yun. Nagsimula po kami yata nung humingi sa inyo ng advice.
Yeah.
Nagsimula tayo gumawa ng consideration letter.
Yeah.
At again, unfortunately, hindi rin po kami
Hindi
na-approve.
in-approve,
So,
okay.
so sabi niyo po, so we decide na, okay, mag-resubmit po tayo ulit.
Yes.
Oh,
And then,
that is
before we
start.
submitting that,
Yeah.
nag-apply tayo ng open work permit, di ba?
Yeah po.
Okay,
Ang,
amazing. Yeah.
work permit na po. Nung open work permit po namin, kasi ako po yung principal para doon
Yep.
sa asawa ko rin po. Yun.
Yeah.
Tapos hanggang sa dumating na rin po yung work permit po namin while still process po yung PR namin. Yun.
Wow, yes.
So, habang naghihintay, patiently po,
Yeah.
yun, isa-isa na po dumating this
Yeah.
year.
Amazing.
Yung
Yeah.
lahat po.
Yeah, ang daming
hinihintay po
mga
namin.
ang daming mga communication, pero ano siya, yun, no? Yung tuloy-tuloy yung communication, tuloy-tuloy yung request, we provided whatever they ask.
Kaya nga po, napakaganda po.
Ang ganda ng flow. Yeah, ang ganda ng
Yes,
flow. Thank God.
Kaya nga, sabi nga po, ang itinuro sa amin talaga is patience talaga.
Patience.
Talagang patience lang, talagang tiwala lang.
Yeah.
Talagang dadating at dadating kung talagang
Yeah.
sa atin at in the right time.
Salamat sa
Ibigay po sa atin
tiwala.
ang may
Ang galing.
kapangyarihan. Salamat
Actually,
po sa inyo,
nung
Ma'am Norlene.
nung dumating kayo dito, anong year? Nung nagpunta kayo dito from
Dumating kami
Middle
dito,
East, di ba?
nag-entry po kami dito is February 12, 2023.
Oh my gosh, 12, 2023.
Yeah, so like a 3 years on the
3
making
years
po.
in the making of getting that
Yeah.
permanent residency. That's
Yes.
actually fast. Despite of
Yeah.
all those immigration problems, new policies
Yeah.
na napaka-stricto, 3 years is really, really very fast. And I believe it's not me. It is your destiny for you to be able to get that with your whole
Yes.
family, honestly.
Kaya nga po.
And of course, you got the right person. You got a licensed person for you to be able to for you to be represented
Yeah.
dun sa immigration. Amazing.
Kaya talaga po,
Yeah.
kaya talaga po pasalamat po kami talaga sa taas na binigay po kayo sa amin yung talagang rightful consultant na mapagkakatiwalaan.
Salamat.
Kaya
Amazing.
salamat po,
Actually,
Ma'am Norlene.
yeah, sa lahat ng mga nare-receive ko right now na mga refusal, honestly, I feel so sick, like stomach sick na
Yeah,
parang ang
of course.
hirap sabihin na you go home and I know these people by heart na they are really good people, good person, good
Yes.
foreign workers. And
Yeah.
masakit din sa akin yun because they don't deserve. But I have to tell them to go home. Ma-refreshen yung kanilang status sa Canada. Now, it is beautiful because I received this kind of good news. Nakaka-inspire pa rin. Like sometimes,
Opo.
pag nare-reviews, parang, am I still matter in this profession? But when I get few approval, lalo na yung sa inyo, especially
Yeah.
family, pawi ako. And then I get back again to the track, and then okay, let me do it again. I'm still matter. I'm still doing the right way. And thank you so much. And I really appreciate, nakaka-inspire na malaman ko na today, I'm actually a little bit sad kasi nga ang daming mga, alam mo na, mga bad
Okay.
things dun sa immigration.
So
But
po,
I
Baka
have
may
to
mga
celebrate
updates,
this. Yes.
refusal,
Yeah. Well, you know what? Go out with your family. Mag-celebrate
Yeah.
kayo. Kahit na simple celebration, this is a
Opo.
milestone
We
sa
will
inyo.
do that.
Congratulations
Kaya nga
on
po,
you
Ma'am
guys.
Norlene,
Deserve it.
kaya
Not that hindi deserving yung mga nare-refuse. Believe me, for us, I believe that everyone is deserving itong makakuha kayo ng mga papilyon, especially you get your permanent residency. Ang hinihingi lang ng iba is to get back to the work permit status at ma-restore yung kanilang status. But for you
Ayan
guys
nga po
got your
nga.
permanent residency. You're so blessed, guys, and I'm happy.
So, nga
I'm
po.
happy for you. Yeah.
And part of our blessing is kasama po kayo doon.
Salamat, salamat.
Nakatulong po kayo sa amin at alam po
Amazing.
namin na marami pa po kayong matutulungan katulad po namin.
Salamat.
Na hindi po kami nag-give up at hindi
Yes.
niyo po kami
Yes.
give up din.
Oh no, hindi ako magi-give up. Not unless you guys give up. Definitely hindi ko kayo gi-give up. So, salamat ha, and give my regards to your family, to your wife, and
Yes,
congratulations
ma'am. I will do
everyone. I really hope
Thank you po.
one day you come back to me, you tell me na nag-upgrade ka, you become the best in Canada. You know, alam mo na, yung success, I would love to hear
Yeah,
those
yeah.
things. That's what I wanted to
Okay,
expect
ma'am.
from you guys. Okay?
Okay ba?
Alright.
Maraming salamat po.
You're welcome.
Thank you
Bye-bye.
din. God
Bye-bye.
bless. Bye-bye.
So that is a permanent residency approval. Mayroon na silang ECOPR. It's a provincial nominee.